Welcome to the Trillion Rupee Bet, an in-depth strategic analysis of India's emergence as a geopolitical leader in green technology. We're decoding the massive bet India is placing on green hydrogen and climate capital. India's climate commitments are among the world's most ambitious, transforming the nation into a global hub for clean energy. This monumental effort is rooted in the National Green Hydrogen Mission, or NGHM. The core of this strategy is the National Green Hydrogen Mission. Let's break down the sheer scale and the ambitious production goals set for the end of the decade. The NGHM targets 5 million metric tons of green hydrogen production annually by 2030. This monumental output requires deploying 125 gigawatts of associated renewable energy capacity, a colossal energy build-out. To fuel this transition, the NGHM aims to attract over 8 lakh crore rupees in total investments. That's approximately $96 billion United States dollars. This is the Trillion Rupee bet driving India's green future. Beyond capital, this mission is a massive employment engine, targeting the creation of over 6 lakh new job opportunities across the entire value chain, from manufacturing to deployment. India is not just producing green hydrogen for itself. It has a clear strategic imperative to achieve global cost leadership, positioning itself as a major exporter of green energy. The goal is clear: make India's green hydrogen production costs among the lowest in the world. This cost advantage is critical to unlocking new markets and establishing a powerful export economy. Key to energy sovereignty is localizing manufacturing. India is aggressively building domestic capacity for solar PV, batteries, and, crucially, electrolyzers to reduce import dependence and control its future. The successful execution of the NGHM relies heavily on a supportive policy framework and an attractive investment climate. Let's look at the mechanisms driving foreign capital. The market has responded positively. India cited $11.8 billion in clean energy foreign direct investment in the first half of 2025 alone, supported by policies like 100% FDI allowance in the sector. Policy mechanisms like the Production-Linked Incentive, or PLI, schemes are vital. These incentives are creating a robust, indigenous supplier ecosystem for everything from solar modules to advanced chemistry cell, or ACC, manufacturing. India's green hydrogen strategy is inherently geopolitical, directly impacting global supply chains and its standing among nations. Critical minerals are central to this play. India is cementing its role as a leader of the global south, strongly advocating for climate justice based on the principle of common but differentiated responsibilities and respective capabilities, or CBDR. It also actively promotes global initiatives like the ISA and CDRI. The push for electrification and batteries demands secure access to critical minerals. Strategically securing these resources is paramount to sustaining the NGHM's momentum and the broader green transition. While the ambition is high, the path is not without obstacles. We must be realistic about the key investment and execution challenges facing the NGHM in 2025. These hurdles include persistent high financing costs, which deter investment, crucial grid capacity constraints which limit deployment, and administrative delays that can slow project execution. Looking ahead, India's green hydrogen mission is a definitive statement of global ambition. The ultimate goal is to shape the clean energy future, not just participate in it. India is on a trajectory to become a leading exporter of green technologies and a rule shaper in the emerging clean energy economy. The nation is ready to set the standards for the world. Thank you for joining this strategic analysis. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Always conduct your own due diligence.